Dyna-Glo's 48,000 BTU premium stainless steel patio heater will create an inviting atmosphere in your outdoor living space. With 48,000 BTUs of radiant heat, your guests will stay warm and cozy. It features a wide, angled aluminum reflector panel that gives off substantial heat, a piezo ignition system that lights the unit with the turn of a knob and the push of a button, a variable temperature control, and attached wheels that allow you to move the unit easily from one area of your yard to another. It's made of sturdy powder-coated steel with a stainless steel burner and screen. This Dyna-Glo patio heater features a convenient LP tank storage system with an easy-to-lift handle and is backed by a 1-year limited warranty. So add warmth and comfort to your outdoor living space with the 48,000 BTU premium stainless steel patio heater from Dyna-Glo.
This is the Q Flame, an award-winning wood pellet heater that's reinventing how we stay warm. Its gravity-fed, eco-friendly design is powered by wood pellets, a low-emitting biomass fuel that's recyclable, unlike traditional propane and electric heaters. How it works: simply fill the hopper with wood pellets. Add 1 squirt of lighter fluid and a barbecue lighter, and you're done. With fuel costs as low as 50 cents an hour, it's less than 1/10 of the price of a propane heater. The Q Flame is a great addition to any outdoor space. Unlike traditional standing heaters that only heat from the top, the Q Flame heats from the top to the bottom. It has a 10-foot heating radius and provides 72,000 BTUs an hour. The Q Flame is designed with all lifestyles in mind. It easily breaks down to go wherever you're going.
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive Havana Bronze powder coat finish commercial patio heater from Amazon Basics. This 46,000 BTU heater creates wonderful warmth that is effective up to a 9-foot radius. The heater uses a standard 20-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The deep bronze powder-coated finish creates a perfect companion color for the most fashionable patio decor items. This patio heater comes with a reliable piezo igniter, wheels for easy mobility, a weighted base for stability, and a tilt shutoff switch for safety. The sturdy design and commercial-grade materials enable this heater to weather the elements for years. This exciting heater from Amazon Basics is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space.
Skills on how to fire up the tabletop patio heater. Basically, one of the main things is making sure that you press in the control knob completely. Pushing in the control knob all the way down and turning the control knob to the left until it stops is basically what we're doing at this point, is letting all the air get out of the line till you get to the top of the pilot. So you keep this held in, turn to the left, make sure it's pushed all the way in, and we're going to hit the igniter button 15 times. We get a pilot up at the top. We have a small hole where we can see the pilot. It's just at the bottom portion of the burner. Letting go of the knob will let the pilot burn. When you go to turn the patio heater on high, when you initially get a pilot, you want to let go of the knob so that the knob comes completely out. And at this point, you want to turn it to the left, making sure that it goes to high. At this point, the burner should come all the way on, and then at that point you want to turn it down to low, and you can use desired heat at that point. The screen at the top, within 15 minutes, should turn glowing red.
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive hammer-tone bronze commercial patio heater from Firestone. This 46,000 BTU heater creates wonderful warmth and uses a standard 20-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The sturdy design and hammer-tone bronze powder-coated finish gives this heater the style you want and a quality that will last year after year. The included heavy-duty wheel assembly makes this patio heater easy to maneuver. Additionally, this heater features a tilt shutoff switch for safety and a reliable PCO igniter. Whether you're using this unit for warmth or ambiance, the hammer-tone bronze commercial patio heater from Firesense does it all in comfort, quality, and style. Firesense, the fire of living.